Hello, good afternoon, culture buzzers. Just flexing my other hobby to you guys. Of course, I have another channel. This my plant channel. I move all my plant videos on the other channel. It's called Juilliard Plant Nursery. So there's an afternoon drizzle today. Umaambon po. And here are some of my collagen plants or elephant ears in my nursery. This is actually a Thai plant. And my collagen fried egg. Kala ko namatay na siya. It's a gift from my nephew. It's an ordinary heart of Jesus. Yan. Ang tingnan niyo naman ito aking ang gumamela. Ano po yan? What do you call that? Mabilis lumago yan. We call this the variegated gumamela. Gift from a friend. Dati pong katiwala namin sa Tagaytay house ng brother ko, si Liway. She passed away 2 years ago. Ayan po remembrance niya sa akin. Liway. Kala ko namatay na rin ito. Oh, I have some vinca plants. Yung spill over yan, nakita ko sa lupa, so nilipat ko lang dyan. So here's some of my old mayoi plant, Philodendron mayoi. Lourdes. Some of my switches plant or Philodendron. Oh, my gymnopops. Gymnocolation. Ayan po. Hawartia. Ayan. Oy, this is a mother plant. Siguro 2 more weeks and dapat ko na. Itong gymnocolation ko, namumulaklak na. I'm excited to check the flowers. This one is repotting, and this is what we call our forever rich plant. Yes, dapat na yan. It's an old mother plant. Again, collagen fried egg, elephant ears. Ganyan po yan. What you see right now is what we call pansitan. Mukha pong damo yan, pero actually may herbs po yan. Masarap po isalad dyan, ang talbos. Lasang makopa. So, here are some of my collagen pa na forgot the names. Or the name rather, sorry. Pinapropagate ko yan and selling them at a cheap price to interested gardeners or plant lovers. Ito yung mga aking gymnocolation na pinapropagate. Succulent. I've tried other succulents, ang hirap mag-alaga. Ito lang kaya kong buhayin. So, yung pongki, if you have difficulty planting, raising plants, just plants that are easy to grow and within your capacity as a plant lover lang. So, wala lang, just sharing this, flexing this nursery plants, and I hope you get inspired. Kahit sa backyard niyo, you can plant some easy to grow plants. Sayuri, some Siberia sayuri, or ito, siyempre espada po. Alam niya ba tawag dito? Ito ang tinatawag natin shrimp plant. Sa Tagalog po ang tawag natin po dyan, karamihan ay tagumpay. Tagumpay mabulakla. Ito yung bingka ko po. Medyo palit lang bulaklak at nabonsay na po kasi yan. So guys, thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice Friday, guys. See you later.